Replacing the clutch on the Indian Scout bobber is a relatively simple task. You're first going to drain your oil and then remove all the Allen heads that go to the clutch cover. Once you've taken the bolts out, make sure you put them in alignment so you know how to put them back in once you put everything back together. Once all the bolts are out, the clutch case should easily come off. Here you can see the clutch assembly together, and now we're going to remove the 6 bolts holding everything together. Make sure you do this in a star pattern so you do not put uneven pressure on any of the plates. Once you've taken the bolts out, then remove the springs.
How'd it go?
Then remove the clutch cover.
Smooth.
Make sure you keep the bolt that comes out through the middle. That is what puts tension on the clutch springs. Then remove each disc one by one. Make sure you put them in order so you know how to align the new ones when you put them in. There will be a shutter disc. Make sure you don't forget that in there. Once you've taken them all out, put the new ones in the correct order. Make sure on the Scout and Scout bobber that the last disc is not going to be in the same groove as all the other ones. Now put the face back on the clutch. Then put the springs back in. Make sure that the ridges on the clutch bolt are facing upwards. When putting the bolts back in for the clutch springs, make sure you only put them in snug. If you do it too tight, you will strip the bolt completely. And yes, I'm speaking from experience. Thank you for watching, and stay subscribed and tuned in for more info on Indian Scouts and Scout Bobbers.